Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Pizza Mexicana with white garlic sauce on the Pro 5 from WPPO. The first thing that we want to do is get a good fire going in the pizza oven. I like to use the focus starter and the loose lighter to get a good fire going. While we're waiting for the pizza stone to heat up, it's now time to prepare the white garlic sauce. Start by mixing a cup of sour cream with a cup of mayo, then add about 5 tablespoons of mashed garlic. Then you want to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost, and then about a 1/4 cup of orange Fanta soda. Then you want to stir this thoroughly and place in a squeeze bottle. Next, we want to prepare the taco meat for the pizza. Start by browning your ground beef and then add your favorite taco seasoning. I like medium heat macayo taco sauce and chipped it. Then you want to slice a couple of jalapenos and a yellow onion. All the ingredients are now prepped, so it's time to start making the pizza. Start by putting some semolina flour on your pizza peel, then carefully place your pizza on it. Next, you want to layer this first with the tomato sauce, some mozzarella. Then you want to add the taco beef. You want to add the onions, and finally the jalapenos. Then it's time to bake this in the pizza oven for about 90 seconds. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of that white garlic sauce. That is how you make a Pizza Mexicana with a white garlic sauce on the Pro 5 from WPPO. I really hope you try this at home because this is a really tasty recipe. So here we go. Come on. Happy grilling.